Struggling to connect your Hostinger website to social media? It's a common challenge. You want your site to be a hub for your online community, not a dead end. Well, guess what? You can instantly add and customize social icons with this simple guide, giving your site a professional edge and boosting engagement effortlessly. It's easier than you think. Alright, in this video we're going to walk through the entire process. We'll start by accessing the Hostinger website builder, then move on to adding the social icon element. After that, we'll dive deep into customizing its links, tweaking the style and layout, and even adding some subtle animations for that perfect polished look. Now, the very first thing we need to do is get into your website's editing environment. So go ahead and head over to your Hostinger dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to your website and click to open the Hostinger website builder. This is where all the magic happens. Give it a moment to load up your site's design. Alright, once your builder is open and you're looking at your website, we need to find the Add Element button. Look to the left side of your screen. You should see a sidebar with different options. You're looking for a small plus icon, usually a circle with a plus sign inside. Go ahead and click on that Add Circle button. This opens up all the elements you can add to your page. From this new menu that just popped up, we're looking for the Social Icons element. You might need to scroll down a bit, or you could even use a search bar if one's available. Once you find the Social Icons element, simply click on it. It will instantly appear on your page, usually in a default spot. Don't worry about its placement just yet. We'll fix that soon. So you've got your social icons on the page. Now we need to tell them what to do. To do that, click directly on the social icons block that you just added. When you click it, a small menu or panel should appear, giving you options to customize it. You'll see Edit Social Icons as one of the choices. Go ahead and click on that option. This brings up the full customization panel. And here's the really important part: connecting your actual social media profiles. In the customization panel, you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Links. This is where you'll find the default social media icons. For each icon, you'll see a field to paste your specific social media profile URL. Go through each one you want to include, copy your profile link, and paste it in. If there's a platform you don't use, you can simply delete it, and you can add more if you need to. As someone who's spent a lot of time in the Hostinger builder, I can tell you this section is incredibly intuitive for managing your online connections. Double-check those links to make sure they're correct. Once your links are all set, let's make these icons look good and fit your brand. Now click on the Style tab. Here, you can change the size of the icons, make them larger or smaller, adjust their color, maybe to match your brand colors, and even change their shape. You can choose between circles, squares, or even just the raw icon. You can also play with the spacing between them. Spend some time here to get the look just right. Okay, with the style sorted, let's think about where these icons sit on your page. Click on the Layout tab. This is where you control their arrangement. Do you want them horizontal or vertical? Do you want them aligned to the left, center, or right of their container? You can also adjust the padding and margins around the entire block of icons to make sure they sit perfectly within your website's design. To add a little extra flair, let's throw in some animation. Click on the Animation tab. Here, you'll find various subtle effects that can make your icons pop when a visitor scrolls past them or hovers over them. You can choose something like a fade in, a slide up, or even a subtle bounce. Just remember, a little goes a long way with animation. We want engaging, not distracting. You've done a lot of great work customizing these icons. Now it's critical to save your progress. Look for the Save button, which is usually located in the top right corner of the builder. Click on Save to ensure all your changes are locked in. You don't want to lose all that effort. Finally, let's see your hard work in action. Before you publish, it's always a good idea to preview. Click on the Preview button, often found right next to the Save button. This will show you exactly how your website visitors will see the social icons. Check that the links work, that the style is consistent, and that the layout is just as you intended. It's a great way to catch any last-minute adjustments. And there you have it. From a disconnected website to a professionally integrated site with customized social icons that drive engagement, you've successfully linked your Hostinger site to your online community. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. We'll see you next time.